friends, thanks for stopping by today. I am not showing my face because I'm a hot mess today. It's Saturday and I'm going to do a little project. My husband cut me these boards from just some leftover lumber we had from doing the board and batten wall. And he cut them 28 inches long and 3/4 inches wide and 3/8 inches thick. So 3/8, 3/4, and 28 inches. And then you ask, what? I had to write all that down. What are you going to do with this? Well, I'm going to, or he's going to help me. We're going to make a star to hang outside like this. And there's enough give in this wood, bend in this wood, I guess I should say, that he's going to glue it and nail it. Don't ask me how. We'll video that part. But right now, I'm going to paint it. And since there's 5 pieces of wood, I'm going to do 2 pieces in red, 2 pieces in white, just craft paint, good old craft paint, and 1 in blue, because on the blue one, I am going to stencil some stars to go across the piece of wood. So let's get started painting them. I'm just going to use a little sponge brush. I can't find my little narrow brush. It's somewhere around, so I brought this chip brush down in case I need it. But I'm just going to give it a little, probably take a couple coats. And I'm probably going to rough them up a little so that they don't look so crisp and fresh after they get painted. This brush is working fine. I'm actually going to make 2 of them because I'm going to make one for one of my neighbors down the street. You've seen her little girl in a Christmas video, Mila. And I'm going to get Mila over here to make little stars out of tongue depressors and or popsicle sticks, because I think she'll enjoy that. I don't have any grandchildren, so I have to adopt Mila. She's my girl. She watches all my videos. She's my biggest fan, bless her sweet little heart. So we'll see her. Oh crap, should have done the sides first. We'll see her in a video. Now we're doing the white, and I'm going to do 2 white, which since I'm doing 2 stars, that means I have to paint 4. I'm sure I'll get paint on my clothes because I always do, so I should put an apron on, but in typical Susan fashion, I'm not. Okay, now we're moving on to the red. This color red said it was holiday red, so I kind of thought it would be brighter. But we'll make do because I'm not buying anything. This is going to be a project all from scratch. I am not really liking this shade of red. It looks too pinky red to me. I don't know if it shows up that well on the camera, but so I ran upstairs. I have a true red and a Tuscan red. So let's see the differences in these. It may not still be what I'm looking for. This is I've had forever. It might not even be any good. Ooh, that's a pretty red. That's the red I wanted. Okay, now I like that red much better. Can you tell? This one is more pinky, where that's nice and bright. And we want bright. So let's give this a little swipe over. I don't know how well you can see that. That's a prettier red. That's to me, a true red. That's a patriotic red. Okay, they're all painted. Now it's just gonna, I'm gonna let them dry really good. And then right now, I think I'm gonna go upstairs and cut out some star stencils so I can stencil the blue ones. This is what it looks like laid out before my husband nails it together or screws it together, whatever he decides to do. I think it's cute. And then I'll just put a little bow and some greenery on it. Cute, cute, cute. Easy and cute. Here's the star. My husband glued it and then he put these clamps on it. And he said once the glue dries, he is going to just stick a screw in the corner right there. Pays to have a handy husband. Hi friends, it's Susan and Mila here. We're gonna do a little craft that you can do with your grandchildren or your children or for yourself for that matter. We're gonna make stars out of popsicle sticks and we may try some tongue depressors as well. And then we're gonna paint them red, white, and blue. We're gonna decorate them. We have all kinds of things to decorate with. I went to Michael's. They had this whole pack of ribbon, 60% off. So we got all kinds of ribbon to choose from. We've got raffia we can put on it. So we're gonna get to work and let you see how Mila's, how she decides to paint her sticks. It's set up and we'll get right back with you. Okay, let's get some paint. This is True Red, just craft paint. You can get it from Michael's or Hobby Lobby or Walmart. Some of this came from Walmart. So you want to do red first? Or what color do you want to do first? Ooh. Ooh.
I'll do red.
Okay. And so I think it's easier. It was easier for me when I was doing it to use a sponge brush.
Okay.
So you're going to do all 5 of them red?
Yeah, probably.
Okay, get to work. And it may take 2 coats. All right, now Mila's doing blue ones. She finished 5 red. Now she's working on her blue. Okay, Mila's moving on to the white now. And we'll figure out how we're going to combine them. And I think she's going to try to do a striped one, a white and a red stripe, like a flag. And she's figured out how to hold it down with the other popsicle stick. I thought that was pretty smart. I'd be sticking my finger in it and getting all painted up. She's a pro. So now Mila is putting red stripes across one of the white ones to make it have the look of a flag. She's just taking a narrow brush and patting them across. Very good. She's got this down. Okay, now Mila's taking a chalk pen and drawing stars. Oh, that is so cute, Mila. Let's show them. She probably have to go over it twice, but it's easier than, oops, easier than painting. Here's one completed star of Mila's, and we have to put the ribbons and embellish it. And she just did red stars on a white stick and just used a marker.
There you go.
Mila chose these 3 ribbons. It's a blue and white gingham, a red and white, and this white has little blue stars. I love this packet of ribbon that I got from Michael's. has all sorts of good ribbons to choose from. So we're just gonna tie it on to the star. And do you want to put some of these in?
Sure.
Okay. And we'll get back with you and let you see how it looks. Okay, Mila is ready to show you what she did. I think it looks so cute. I'm gonna reach over and hold it a little closer. Isn't it cute? I love it. I love it. Oh, you didn't put a flag on this one, but I'll show them, and then you can put the flag. And look at this one. We left the tails a little bit longer on this ribbon. Isn't it cute? I love it. She did such a good job. This one, I don't know if you could see, she put a little flag sticker on it. Well, Mila, let's tell the friends goodbye and thanks for watching, and maybe they can do this little craft. It was so much fun.